it's Emily. Thank you so much for clicking this video. If you're new here, I'm into everything beauty, skincare, and makeup related. And if you're returning, thank you so much for clicking this video and for always showing your support. For this video, it's going to be another look at my Zodiac series. And for this season, we're celebrating the Libra. Libras are an air sign and the ruling planet is the Venus, and they're all about fairness and balance. Libras are a natural diplomat and they always try to create peace among their friends since they can see every side of conflict and they just want to create compromise. I actually know a couple Libras in my life, and this is definitely true to their character because they always just try to create balance between everyone, and if there's any conflict going on, they try to see both sides and bring everyone together on a middle line, and they're a really good sign to be around if you have any issues going on. If you're a Libra, I hope you feel like this look represents you well, and this look is partly inspired off of the ColourPop and Kathleen Light's campaign photo for this, but I also wanted to capture some of the loving and balancing qualities of the Libra in this look. If you like this video, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up, and if you're new here, please make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any of my future videos, and let's jump into it. For my shadows today, I'm going to be using both the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Androgyny palette as well as the Z palette that I have that mainly has ColourPop shadows in it, and like always, you don't have to use the same shadows as me, you can always just use similar colors. I'm first going to start off by priming my lids with the Morphe eyelid primer just to make sure that all my shadows stay. I'm then going to set the primer with a translucent base, and for that I'm going to use the Pixi by Petra Flawless Finishing Powder. I'm first going to start off by going into the Androgyny palette and picking up the color Safe Word and blending that all into the crease. After I have the color all blended out, I'm going to pick up the color Androgyny, which is this really pretty matte plum color. I'm going to put that in the outer corner as well as the crease. After I have Androgyny all blended out, I'm going to go into my Z palette and pick up the ColourPop shadow in Going Steady, and this is more of a rich purple color. I'm going to put that in the outer corner to add a little bit more vibrancy. Then for my lid, I'm going to go in with the NYX Pigment Primer just to make sure the glitter we put on top stays. Then for the start of the show, I'm going to be taking the Kathleen Lights and ColourPop Loose Pigment Powder and the scales and putting that right on the pigment primer that we just put down. After I have the base of my makeup done, I'm going to start off with my lower lash line with Going Steady and put that in the very outer corner. I'm then going to pick up some of Double Date, which is also a ColourPop shadow, and it's a multi-dimensional purple shade. I'm going to put that in the very inner corner of my lower lash line. I'm then going to lightly blend out my lower lash line with a little bit of Safe Word to make sure everything is smooth. I then like to take a big fluffy brush and just blend off all those edges just to make sure that everything is smooth and blends into my skin. Then to highlight my inner brow bone and corner, I'm going to be going into the Makeup Geek and Kathleen Light's highlighter palette and picking up the color Starlight, which is a pink-based highlighter. Then for my lashes, I'm first going to start off with the Tarte Lights Camera Lashes, and then after that I'm going to follow it up with the Pixi by Petra Double Brush Mascara. I'm also going to use the Makeup Geek Starlight highlighter on my face just to make sure that it ties in with the rest of the look. Then for my lips, I'm going to be going into the Bite Beauty and Amuse Bouche lipstick in Sake, and I thought this was the perfect color to go with the look and really tie it in. And here's the final look. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you're a Libra, I hope you feel like this look represented you well, and if you like this video, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up. I just wanted to give a quick thank you to everyone that's been supporting me, whether it's been long term or short term, because anyone that views my videos, likes them, comments on them, or supports them in any way, it really means a lot to me, and I just really wanted to say that I appreciate all of your guys' support. If you guys have been here for a long time and you always like my videos and you always comment on them and show me support, thank you guys guys so much for being so loyal and dedicated. I just think it's really sweet, so I wanted to say thank you guys so much for that support. If you guys haven't joined the family already, make sure to hit that big red subscribe button down below so you don't miss any of my future videos, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.